Okay, so um, when I look at the second prompt, bandages of love, so I started off drawing a handy plus, right? I think you can recognize it's a handy plus, and it's like you bandage on your broken hearts, but sometimes the heart is complex lah, so there's a few layers like the onion. So I use a different color to represent the different layer, and one by one each layer God is fixing and mending the heart, and it's also a picture of like to be patient with yourself when you are going through brokenness, because there are different layers to the human heart, and it takes time lah for one layer to be healed by the next layer. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Look for me. Mine is the set free from darkness.
Okay, setting the captives free.
Yeah. So this represents Jesus in his armor with his sword and his shield to come and with a fiery heart of love to come and rescue the person that is in darkness trapped in this door. So when Jesus appear, lights appear, and the key to unlock so that the captives can be set free is by his love and by forgiveness. This represents release forgiveness, and the person must take the step of faith to believe in Jesus and to renew his mind, represented by green, God's word that gives life, and also to speak life and not speak death. So when the person is released, then there will be glory, represented by the yellow light. There will be fruitfulness, represented by the green tree. There will be freedom, represented by the birds. And there will be transformation, represented by the butterfly.
Wonderful, thank you. This was the first version. Yeah, good.
Okay, so this is the picture of Beauty for Ashes. I drew this part as ashes, where it's like slowly fading away. But so this is the beauty part where there's like a burst of colors. Yeah, so I used more vibrant colors. So actually this is a flower. So this side is like the part of it is like black and withered, but God will use it for his glory, so that's why I chose like a vibrant red and orange. Yeah.
Okay.
OK，所以我们每个人就是这里有三个，就是代表可能三个人呐、然后我们都是一个空瓶子，可是因为我们认识了耶稣基督，他用他的爱来就是浇灌我们，充满我们，所以让我们的瓶子变得满，全部都是从神而来的喜乐，就是 joy for oil，joy of oil。
刚才的呢？
刚才是什么？
哦，谢谢。
I think my verse was the praise of garments. So I was reflecting on some of the questions you had in your Substack. And then one of it was talking about testimonies and giving thanks, how we can incorporate more celebration and thanksgiving into our lives. So I was reflecting on what kind of witness I am with my friends, and I realized that a lot of times I kind of shy away from sharing what I've learned from God, or even giving thanks to Him, because I'm afraid I'll be rejected. Yeah, so I guess I was just reflecting on how maybe in this year I would like to try to share more about Him, in a sense. So this scene is from a few days ago, where me and my family went to eat beancurd after my sermon. And then because I felt very moved by what we learned during cell, so I just thought that I would share it with them. And so it's something that happened in the past, but I think it's something that can help me remember to do in the future.
Yes. Good. Thank you.
The dead tree and some flowers, the sun and the tree that is a living.
What does it mean?
It means like a tree, the not burnt tree is full of righteousness, but the other one is lifeless.
Oh, why it become lifeless?
Because
What happened?
the tree got burned from the fire.
Oh,
But the other bush did not get burned because the other one had righteousness.
okay. Thank you. How old are you?
7.
Okay, thank you. Very good.